Welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are making chicken bite, or whatever name you would like to call this. I have my chicken breast cut into bite sizes. To that I added one beaten egg. I'll add my spices, soy sauce, oyster sauce, and I'm going to mix everything together and marinate for about 30 minutes. I will list all the ingredients in the description box below for easy access as always. I'm just going to be coating my chicken pieces in all-purpose flour after marinating for 30 minutes, and from this point you can deep fry it, but I'll be air frying this at 370 for about 17 minutes. I'll flip it through halfway of cooking and let it cook through the 17 minutes. You can let it cook a little bit more if you want it dry, or if a little more soft, depending on how you want. These chicken bites don't stay too long when I make them. My family love it so much, and I know yours will love it too. It is fun to eat and it tastes so delicious. So give it a try, and I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.